Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into hustle, and today we got a nice watch face that's worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. And this is going to be that watch face that I believe will carry you through the remainder of the week. Now with that being said, let's check out this awesome simple watch face. The name of the watch face is called REN 018 Fahrenheit. All right, you all, let's check out this watch face. Now, I think it's really nice. It's a weather watch face, and I like the layout, and I like the fact that all the information is very legible. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a really nice look for the Gear 3. It's going to be dimmed down quite a bit in the black theme mode for the most part, and it's going to look slightly different from that of the Gear 2, but they both are going to look super awesome in the AOD mode. Now, once the watch face is on, again, I love the fact that everything is very bold, very legible, but I love the weather on any watch face. Now, over here, you're going to get your battery percentage. I like the fact that they give you the percentage, and they give you a nice gauge to go with it to let you know how much of your battery you have depleted already. Over to the right, you're going to get information, of course, on your weather. Right up under that, you have a window that's going to let you know what type of day you have going on outside, whether it's day, whether it's night, whether it's rainy, sunny, cloudy. I do like that. And you do get your big, bold, legible time down at the bottom with animated seconds, which looks really nice. I really like these two windows. And down at the bottom, you are going to get your date and the day of the week. Now, it is inactive. Now, when we tap on some of these, it's not going to be what you think it is. So let's check it out. If I double tap right here on the weather, it's going to allow me to go in and, of course, set a favorite. And if I double tap right here on this window, it's going to bring up my calories burned, my step information, stress, things of that nature, water intake. And if I double tap right here, I'm able to go in, of course, and check my recents, go back into an application, or just close it all. And if I double tap on the date, it's going to allow me to get my calendar. I can set an event if I so choose. And the same thing for my battery percentage. So this is yet a different type of watch face so far as shortcuts is concerned, but it gives you all the ones that you would normally need within a watch face. And I thought that was super awesome. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know the Monday grind is going to continue, but somebody has to do it. All right, so hit the like button on the way out if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.